All right, guys, we are at Camella Homes today in Pampanga here, Angeles City, and we're going to check out some of the homes here. I'll list prices, and of course I'll list how big the property is and everything like that. But the first one we're going to look at is the Camella. This is 3 bedrooms, and it doesn't appear to be furnished inside. Here's your outside lot area. Camella, or the Cara, sorry, Cara. Shares living space. So this is actually what you get right here, because you go into some places and it's all decorated and everything, but you're not getting that. You're getting right here is what you're getting, right? What you see is what you get here. Living room.
Same with the other units, sir.
They're not decorated either.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's good, because now you see what you're getting.
Yes.
You know, I mean, don't get me wrong. It looks nice when they have them decorated, but still. Downstairs CR. This is 3 bedrooms, so we'll go upstairs here. There's a view again. CR, top of the steps. What you see is what you get, guys. 1 bedroom, 2 outlets. The other bedroom. 2 outlets, TV outlet, or TV receptacle. Another outlet. And then your 3rd bedroom, which is locked. So, 3rd bedroom. Here's 1 master. 2nd bedroom. 3rd bedroom that's locked. So there it is. It is a white house inside. Outside here. Take another look at the outside here. From the side. There it is. The Cara house. All right, this is the Marga home. 2 bedroom with a carport. Show the outside here quick. 2 bedroom with carport. It looks like balcony up top. Yeah, balcony up top. There's a better view. All right, head on inside and check it out. Pretty small. 2 bedroom. Nice open kitchen. Dining room area. CR in the corner. Go upstairs. Hang on. All right, head upstairs. 2 bedroom, guys, 2 bedrooms. A little dark up here. It's the 1 bedroom. Closet. AC. Here's the master bedroom. Closet. Floors. And here's your balcony. Balcony area. Tell you what, pretty nice 2-bedroom apartment. Or 2-bedroom house, I should say. All right, off to the next one. All right, this is the Dana house. Like I said, I'll leave all the information on the screen that you can see. These do not come with a carport. He told me for another 100,000 more pesos, they will add a carport on. But this one does not come with a carport, along with the other one, the Cara. This is 4 bedrooms. Kind of see what it looks like from the side. There's, of course, another house right next to it. No windows on the side. All right, we will head into the Dana. Now this one they got decorated, so the Dana.
Ito po basta na-pag-count din tayo. I-start na po ito.
Kasi ganun sa Timog, kaya hindi kami nagkasama.
Baka po townhouse yun.
A nice size.
Hindi naman siya.
Solo siya.
Solo.
Bakit po?
Kasi sa Timog needs to have 20, kasi per pack sila.
Dito naman po hindi. Basta once po na nakasetan
It's
natin
like a
yung
bedroom
down
downstairs.
payment, or yun nga po, bibigay niyo kalahati. Start na po agad. Saka yung complete documents.
CR.
I-start na po natin.
Kasi yung sa kanya yung gusto ko sana doon kasi yung tayo sa taas. Makikita mo yung parang Mount Alay. Ang problema, aabutin ka muna ng 1 year to 1.5 pack mo siya.
Ako kasi hindi naman sigurado kung may
Kasi ngayon, nag-ano sila ng per pack, hindi ko gusto yung ganun.
I'll go upstairs.
Once na na-settle natin yung half or yung down payment. Kasi down payment natin kasi 58%. Pero kung bibigay ko kayo ng kalahati.
Left is your CR. One bedroom. Closet space. Somebody was saying about closet. Here's a closet. Appears to be no extra room for like a laundry room. Master bedroom. A nice size master bedroom. Has its own private CR. Somebody asked what CR is. It's comfort room. They call it a comfort room. Bathroom. Master bedroom. Very nice size. Closet space. I'm thinking all this is extra too. Closet, everything's extra. And another bedroom. Pretty nice sized bedrooms. All right.